Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Silvana World. Today in this video we will see some beautiful silver color cake designs which you can make for your 25th anniversary or birthday and any other special occasion. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to see more amazing cake design ideas like this. So, all cakes are unique and beautiful and easy to make. To make your 25th anniversary more special, you can use these cake design ideas. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get amazing cake ideas like this. Watch the video till the end so that you will not miss any beautiful cake designs. See you in my next video with some more beautiful and unique cake decoration ideas. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.